Oi, good morning, children. Today is a sunny day. And in this sunny day, we are going to have the opportunity for learning, reviewing, and checking the words and the sounds that we have already learned. Okay, so welcome to our language class, in which we are going to check some sounds. Do you remember which are the sounds that we have already learned? Let's check them. Okay, here we have the first sound is ch. Okay, as you can see here, ch is the sound of choo choo. The second sound that we have is sh. And the third sound is th. Look at me. Th, th. Okay, now let's see what are we going to do. Today we are going to guess a beautiful game. And the name of this game is Guess the Word. For this contest, we are going to have clues, and you have to guess, and the sound, and you have to guess the word, and once you guess the word, you write it in your notebook. So, what are we going to do, or what do you need for this class? For this class, you need pencil, eraser, and notebook. So at this moment, you are going to look for your things and be ready in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and 0. Let's start our contest. Here we go. Guess the word. Okay, I'm going to move my image here because you are not going to see the word that I'm going to show you. Here you have. The first word is kids love me. I am crunchy. I have different flavors. And I make an special noise when open the package. Who can tell me the word? 3, 2, 1, 0. The word is chips. Very good. Amores, en este momento ustedes tienen que abrir su cuaderno y copiar la palabra en su cuaderno. Miren la palabra, chips, solo la palabra, ¿ok? Chips. Number 2. Number 2. Ouch. I am going to show you. Look at this. I love your hair. I don't care if it is curly or straight, but I love to help you fix it. I love your hair. I do not care if it is curly or straight, but I love to help you fix it. And the word is 3, 2, 1, 0. I'm going to move a little bit. Brush. Excellent. Okay. The next one is, this is the next one. My first name is Pan. I am fast and dark, but my friends call me There. There. Who can tell me the word? Let's check. Pan panther. Very good. Okay, don't forget to write the word in your notebooks. The next one is I can be big or I can be small, but what I love the most is to touch the ocean while I ride the waves. Who can tell me the word? The sound is sh. Okay, let's see. The word is sheep. Very good. Okay, the next word is in the middle of the day when you are hungry, it is me. What you eat? And the word is 3, 2, 1, 0. Lunch. Very good. Okay, let's continue with the next one. Clara had 5 apples. She gave one to her mom and ate another one. How many apples does she have or are left? How many apples are left? Okay, it's a number. You can see the number. Tell me the answer. The correct answer is 3. Good, very good. The next one is, I am going to be here again. This one. If you get inside, you will buy many things you may need. The word is shop. Excellent, guys. Very good. I'm going to move again. And the next one is with the sound ch, ch, ch. I am an animal with wings, but people also find me in their meals. And the answer is ch, ch, chicken. Excellent. Very good. The next one is with the sound th, th, th. You might use me to indicate that everything is all right. And I am a finger in both of your hands. And the word is thumb. Very good. Excellent. And the next one is, it begins with the letter S and finish with the letter Ch, ch, ch. Here we have. To make this, you need the following ingredients: bread, jam, and cheese. And the word is sandwich. Very good. Okay. Now let's continue with the next one. This one. I live in the sea and I have sharp teeth and eat fish. And the word is shark. Very good. And the last one is, I'm going to be here. I am small, I am white, and I am in your mouth. And the word is tooth. Okay, now what are you going to do? You are going to take a picture of your notebook showing me the way you wrote the words, and you upload in Seesaw, okay? Because I want to check what did you copy or write. Okay, I love you so much, kids. Have a nice and a wonderful day. Thank you. Bye-bye.